Hello everyone, this is my final project for Intro to IM, which is a collision avoidance robot which basically detects collision and chooses the best direction for it to move forward. As you can see, when it detects collision, it turns left and then right, measures the distance and chooses the best path based on the distance it measures. When the battery is connected and the robot is turned off, the LED turns red, but when we turn on the robot, it makes a sound and the LED turns green. In this case, because we have a wall on the right, it should turn left. I have no